let me really share with you. I know you guys are here to see Cheetah and see me training, but I do want to emphasize one thing, and that is try really hard not to be discouraged. I would be excited to see and get to be a part of this software being built and growing. Number one reason is you guys are influential in making sure this Cheetah product is exactly what we want and exactly what we need. And I'm saying that because you guys have just as much power as I do on driving what things are added to Cheetah and what Cheetah needs to be able to be a good platform. So you've got the ability to submit changes to make things better. You've got the ability to submit bugs to show them it's not working. You guys do that. Flood them with that stuff so that when we come out of this with the final product, it will be exactly what you, the community, wanted and need for your business. To me, that's really, really exciting. Pixel Perfect's there. You can still build in there. You can still create your funnels in there. You can have a hey-ho time in Pixel Perfect. But remember to jump into Cheetah and help us build that perfect web builder. And that part is exciting. Yvonne, I can imagine you having a finger somewhere in that product where you submitted something to the developers, and for years from now, you can say that little thing that Cheetah does, that was me.